Question 3, part A. Write down the inequalities shown on the number line above. So this number line involves us being at the number 2 and to the left of that forevermore. So we're going to be less than a 2, and more so because of the fact that this dot here is solid, that means that we also include 2. So that's going to be an x is less than or equal to 2. Part B, if -4 is less than or equal to 2y is less than 6. We're told that y is an integer, a whole number, and we're asked to find all of the possible values of y. So the first thing we need to do is solve this inequality and be able to express it in terms of y's only. If we divide all 3 sides of this inequality by 2, we're going to get the following. -2 is less than or equal to y is less than 3. And by writing down all the possible values of y, we're basically looking at what whole numbers, what integers are less than 3, but equal to or greater than -2. So -2 is the smallest one, with it being equal to. We then have -1, 0, 1, and 2. Of course, we can't have 3, because that doesn't include it, doesn't have the line underneath for equal to. So these 5 numbers there are all our possible values of y. Part C, solve the inequality 7t minus 3 is less than or equal to 2t plus 31. So in order to do this, we first of all rearrange in the same way that we do an equation, except if we ever divide or multiply by a negative, that's going to change the direction of our inequality. Now, it just so happens for this question, we won't end up needing to do that, because having t terms on both sides, more of them being on the left, if we take away 2t from both sides, we will get all of that on the same side. And then we're going to add 3 to get rid of that -3. And then lastly, we're going to divide by 5 to get rid of that times 5. And in all 3 of those steps, we did not need to multiply or divide by a negative. Therefore, it is, for all intents and purposes, just like an equation. T is less than or equal to 6.8 is our final answer. You could also write this as 34/5 technically.